Now, in this subject, we're going to create a list from scratch. Okay. So what I'm going
Okay.
to do is I'm going to click list here, and I'm going to click create new. I'm going to give this name as, let's say, test list campaign 1, right? Display
Right.
name, I'll call it success system,
1.
right? Success system, and I'll say a success system revealed, right? This will show up to the visitors, okay? And I'll say the description like this is our first test campaign for checking our funnel in real time. Okay, sorry for all those mistakes. Click next, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click create first name. Are you following?
Yes, yes.
Create the first name field, and I'm going to order this to 1, set this order as 1, and click save changes. And then I'll simply go to fields again, because I have to make sure that the fields are perfectly aligned.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just need to say yes to this first name and may make it mandatory, right? So 0, 1. So first name will appear at the top, and then I'll click save changes. Then I'll go back, click update. Okay, scroll down, click update, and then I just need to update this part here. Say welcome, say yes to the welcome email, right? And then I'm going to change this to team at online survey profits, and I'm going to change this email again to team at online survey profits.us, right?
Right.
And here I'll just say online survey profits, online survey profits. From name will appear this, like this. Make sense?
Yes. Yep.
And I'll click save changes, and then I'll scroll down. Now these settings will apply to only this list, that is the test list underscore campaign. Okay, so you can you have to make these changes to every list you create. Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, right? And then I'm going to type in your email here, then again email, then again a different email here. Make sense?
Okay.
Click save changes, and then I will go to pages. Now before I go to pages, I will go to the landing page part. Okay, so let's just go to now let's just go to campaigns. Okay, so finally this list has been created. Let's click update, and I will go to the landing pages, let's say. Okay,
Okay.
go to, let's just create a campaign here. Create a campaign. So let's say campaign 2. Okay,
Okay.
it is name as campaign 2. Click continue, right? And I'm going to select this, the sequence that I'm going to select here would be this one, right? Are you following?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So select this.
Create new subscribers list.
Nope. And pretty much I'm going to select the list, whatever. Okay. So the list name that I'm going to select is, where's the list name? We just created a new list right now, right? What was the name of it? We just created a list. What name did I give it to that?
Success system.
18th Feb. Okay, let's just go back, check our list. Campaign 2.
Campaign 2.
So the list that we created, the name of that list is, okay.
Campaign 2.
Okay, I didn't change the list name, right? So Isidro Sereno. Okay, click here. Okay, this is the list that we created. Okay, the name of it is Isidro Sereno. Click update.
Advanced.
See, this is the list that we created, right? Online survey profits. Right? So let's change the name of this list as
Campaign 3.
This is our first campaign for checking our funnel in real time, right? So I'll call this campaign 2. Campaign 2, right? Click save changes. Then I will go to this list overview. Go back to list overview. Are you following?
It's
campaign 2, right? And I'll go to the overview of this list and I'll simply write down again campaign 2, right? Click continue, regular, then you see list campaign 2, right? Campaign 2, right? Sequence, I'm going to choose this sequence set of 7 campaigns, let's say. Scroll down, click save and next. And I'm going to say this is campaign 2. Campaign 2 test. Take this mark, scroll down, click save and next. And campaign 2 test, online survey profits, save and next. And then I'm going to select this part. So let's say, what time is it there? 2:14, right?
2:14.
Okay, send at. So let's say, click advanced. Subscriber list, open. Now I can choose more of the stuff here, right? And then I'll simply select the time whenever I want the list. So let's say I want this to go on 19th, right? I want this to go on 19th at 1 p.m. Are you following?
Yes, yes.
Right. I want this to go on 19th of Feb on 1 p.m. and I'll click save and activate, right? And this will naturally go. So this is what is called as automation marketing, right? Make sense?
Yeah. You set up into auto.
That's correct. That's correct. So this is where we finish the subject on setting this up. Okay.